Hello, students. Wishing you all with your best results and scoring marks. Let us move on to our next segment of our drama class, The Tempest. In our previous meet, children, we have seen how Gonzalo is very much certain about Boatswain's destiny, that his death is written by hanging, and his this type of death will make everybody's life safe. If not, then we all are going to perish or die. And then the sailors come and they say that all our efforts are lost. And now we start from 51st line by Boatswain's speech. Boatswain says, when he hears that the mariners saying that all our efforts are lost, he says, what? Must our mouths be cold? What? Now must we perish or die? We all are going, means we all are not going to be saved. Then Gonzalo says, the king and prince had prayers. Let us assist them, for our case is as theirs. So Gonzalo says that the king and the prince, they all are praying. So let us all go and join them, for our case is as theirs, because we are in the same danger as they are. Then Sebastian, I'm out of patience. Sebastian says, I have lost my patience. Then Antonio, he says, we are merely cheated of our lives by drunkards. This white-chapped rascal, would thou mightest lie drowning the washing of 10 tides? Then Antonio, in anger, he says that we are merely cheated of our lives by drunkards, means our life is in the risk because of these drunkards. He is indicating to the boatswain actually. So he says that this white-chapped rascal, means this wide or a big-mouthed officer, boatswain, would thou mightest lie drowning? I wish you were to be drowned. The washing of 10 tides, till the 10 times high tides have washed you nicely. Means he wants that the boatswain should drown. Then Gonzalo, being sure, he says, he will be hanged yet. He says that I am very much sure that he is destined to die by hanging. Thou every drop of water swear against it, and gape at widest to glut him. Means even the every drop of water of the sea swear against him by opening its mouth to swallow him. Means then also I am very much sure he is going to be hanged. Then there is a confused noise on the ship, on the deck, and all are now crying, mercy on us, have mercy on us, we split, we split. The ship is going to split in two. And they all are saying farewell to their wife and children. Very much hopeless, they are in distress. Farewell, brother, ship is going to split in two. We split, and we split. Everywhere there is this type of noise coming. Then exit boatswain. Then Antonio, and he's also very sad. He says, let us all sink with the king. Let us all go to the king and die together. And Sebastian, let us take leave of him. Then Sebastian also says, yes, let us take leave from here. And exit Antonio and Sebastian. Then Gonzalo, he's alone, speaking to himself. Gonzalo, though earlier he was very sure that because of boatswain, they all will be saved. But now he is also afraid. So Gonzalo says that now would I give 1,000 furlongs of sea for an acre of barren ground. Means He says that at this time I'm willing to give away a measure, a distance of sea in the exchange of barren land. Long heath, where the plant with yellow flowers grows in poor soil, brown furze, a space of wild shrubs, means anything barren. The wills above be done, but I know that the God's will be done. It's only my imagination. But I would fain die a dry death. But I would prefer gladly to die on dry land. So Gonzalo is also very hopeless. So students, we finish our Act 2 and Scene 1. Here, if you come across any doubt, you are most welcome. Thank you, children.